whole world actually are eager to know what policies China is coming up this year. From our side, we believe China will keep pursuing for the global peace, for the sustainable development, and they will keep pursuing their technological advancement and keep it open for the world to use. We want to see more cooperation in different fields of the economy, different fields for the development, different fields for the joint growth of the human race, what China has been doing for last many decades.
What I see would be focused this time especially on the new technologies and high quality development of China, especially the recent news which was there regarding the AI models which were developed in China shocked the world with the efficiency and innovation. I think China would focus more on how to enhance the innovation, how they can innovate and bring new models or solutions to the world.
This year, I'm particularly focusing on several key issues in China's two sessions, including high-quality development, innovation-driven growth, green transformation, common prosperity, and global cooperation. Given China's position as the world's second-largest economy, decisions made during the two sessions often have far-reaching implications worldwide.